Welcome back to my workshop. Now, this is a very quick video for you today. I've just had a request from one of my viewers, Paul, okay, this one here. He asked a question about a video I did about 2 years ago, okay, which is this video I'm showing here. Now, that's where I used Starbond adhesive, okay, so this is the activator, this is the adhesive, okay. I used Starbond adhesive to fix a paving slab. Now, Paul's question was, did it work? How long has it worked for? So now it's 2 years later and it's still in one piece. So let's go and have a quick look and I'll show you. Right, as you can see, it's a nice bright sunny day, which makes a change in the UK. So you can see here, this is still holding up really well. And it's had a lot of traffic since I fixed it. There's been, you know, we've got grandchildren all over the place, you know, dogs and God knows what else. Okay, and it's still standing up. So let's have a close look. Okay, so it's still solid. Obviously, what you can see here, that's the just the filler I used on the top, which was I think it was a putty, resin putty. Okay, but the actual paving slab is stuck to this still, just with the Starbond adhesive. Okay. So there you go, Paul, it's still holding up together. Okay, so that's it. It was a very quick update just to let you know that the Starbond adhesive that I used to repair the paving slab is still working 2 years on. If you look, that is my old shed. So it shows how long ago it was. Right, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.